What is electromagnetism? Well, electromagnetism is a branch of physics involving the study of the electromagnetic force, a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles. Now, let's try to find out who are the founding fathers of electromagnetism. First up in the list, we have Michael Faraday. But who is Michael Faraday? Well, Michael Faraday was the one who discovered the electromagnetic induction. His laws revolved around an electric field being produced by a moving magnetic field. Next up, we have the French physicist Monsieur André-Marie Ampère. But what did Monsieur Ampère contribute to the field of electromagnetism? He is generally credited as one of the first to discover electromagnetism. Ampère was the first to demonstrate that a magnetic field is made when two parallel wires are charged with electricity. The next founding father, we have Mr. Hans Christian Ørsted. Mr. Ørsted created the first connection between electricity and magnetism. He discovered that electric currents create magnetic fields. This is also known as Ørsted's law. Up next, we finally have Mr. James Clerk Maxwell. Maxwell's most notable achievement was to formulate the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation, bringing together for the first time electricity, magnetism, and light as different manifestations of the same phenomenon. Enough talking about dead people. Let's see where this train takes us. While waiting, here's a fun fact. Do you know this bullet train actually uses the concepts of electromagnetism to run in real life? Cool, right? Our next stop, applications of electromagnetism. What could be the possible applications of electromagnetism? First, we have an electric fan for when it's hot. Next up, a cassette tape for old tunes. Third, we have a telephone for communication. And lastly, we have headphones for entertainment. These four are just some of the applications of the concepts of electromagnetism. But here comes the big question. What makes electromagnetism so important? Do you know? Well, take the four earlier examples. If these applications weren't there, imagine a life with no telephone, headset, cassette tape, or electric fan. Life would be so much harder. But in a bigger scope, imagine a society without all these applications of electromagnetism. It would be chaotic. So let's all take this time to say, thank you, electromagnetism.